So I am a big fan of the Primeagen, and in his video Order to Learn for Software Engineering, he says that after getting comfortable with a language, the most important thing that you can do is learn data structures and algorithms. So I decided to write all major data structures and algorithms in the NeoVim editor because the Primeagen was holding a gun to my head. I mean, because it would increase my productivity. So, if you know me, which you probably don't because I have 11 subscribers, you'd probably ask, wait, didn't you learn data structures and algorithms in college? And yeah, but school never actually required me to be able to implement any of these data structures or algorithms. And if you're the same way, then I would highly recommend that you take on this project. So this is how I did my project. I wanted to make mine a library, so I used the built-in C# library template. As you can see in the data structures folder is where I store all of my data structures objects, and I have them grouped by their properties. The modules folder stores the different node classes. An object debug in net.8 that's used for storing where my project gets compiled to. Unless you are a very experienced programmer, there is a lot to gain from this project. First of all, data structures are very important, and knowing them allows you to create efficient applications. But the project will also help you improve your problem-solving skills. An example of this project testing my problem-solving skills is when I had to work with a binary search tree. Like, the first problem I ran into is how to traverse back to a previous node. Then I had a eureka moment when I realized that I could use my previously implemented stack to push every node I traversed to the stack and then pop them off when I needed to traverse back up the way that I came. Another benefit, on top of the fact that it helped me with my programming skills, is that I also learned how things worked. For example, I had no idea that a stack was just a slightly modified version of a linked list, and now I do. And then there are also array implementations for a stack. Before that, I thought that a stack was just a thing that was built into the language, sort of like variable declarations, or I thought that a stack was like manually managing memory, but it's not, it's just an object. This also improved my C# skills a lot. I learned about the built-in interfaces like the comparator and the enumerable interface. Overall, I felt like this was a very, very helpful project, and I would recommend doing this exact same thing if you want to improve your own coding skills. If you liked this video, please consider liking and subscribing. I generally post game-related content, but in the future I will be posting more programming-related stuff. I'm actually in the middle of a game jam, so I was thinking about making a few videos about that. Thank you guys for watching,